travelers. Today we're going to talk about how to ride the Madrid Metro system and how to understand it. So let's get right into it. First things first, when you walk into any Madrid Metro station, you will see the card machine where you could get a card. If you need help with that, check out the other video. I will link it here as well. There's also ATM machines if you need to take out cash. That's super important. Actually, if you look up, you'll also see when the next trains are coming. This is super convenient. Additionally, this and in one sign will tell you when the next trains are coming as well as any delays. You are at any metro station in Madrid, you will have this sign in the stops, and this tells you the next stops that are going in that direction. Next, you have the exit, as well as if you are going to be transferring onto another train, this lets you know where to go. Tips are super convenient to know because even though it's pretty hard to get lost in the Madrid Metro, you obviously want to know where you're going and you want to know how to orient yourself in case you do get lost or you're not sure which direction you're going. Once you're on the train, doesn't matter whatever train line you're on, you will see several train lines. And again, this is a great thing to know in case you want to orient yourself. You will see, like you just saw the 9, you saw the 8 now. There's always several lines on one train, so you can orient yourself really quick. Just pay attention to the exit. There's evens and odds, so you definitely want to know this so you get out in the right place.